Hey, I'm Planto and I'm very happy today. Do you want to know why? It is nice to see the youth coming out of their lockdown with their koiti, pikas, and hore. Oh, they are digging and making a home for me. So many of them in different places, and they are ever ready to dirty their hands for me. But I'm scared. Will they take care of me? Will they water me? Will they nourish me? Because these days I'm extremely concerned about my brothers and sisters in Molem. But I will not fear. I see a hope in these youngsters and in their silent revolution. Just like these youngsters, I'm sure all of you watching will bring up cheer and greenery all around.